Okay, so here's example 3, and in this question we're going to be asked to find both the mean and the standard deviation. And it's a bit of a written question just because quite often they put these questions in context, in inverted commas. Okay, so a machine's designed to fill jars of coffee so that the contents X, so there's our random variable, follow a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. It gives us 2 bits of information because we've got 2 unknowns, so we're going to need to set up some simultaneous equations here. So the probability of X is greater than 210 is 0.025, and the probability of X is less than 198 is 0.04. So let's have a look at both of these bits separately and at setting up our simultaneous equations. So we need to standardise these, convert them to our standard normal variable z. So for this first one, probability that z now is greater than 210 minus the mean divided by the standard deviation is my 0.025, and over this side the probability that z is less than 198 minus the mean over the standard deviation is 0.04. Always draw a quick sketch, just takes a couple of seconds. Make sure we're definitely putting the right area value into our calculators. So greater than this value is just this 2.5%, so that's going to be definitely up this end. So here is my value of z. Sorry, that's a bit small. But basically then what we're going to do, we need to change this to a less than so that our calculators can do the area less than, can work out this area. So being less than that, being on this side, is going to give us our 0.975, 1 minus this, the bit that's left over. Okay, so we're going to look this up on our calculators, and then on this side, this is already a less than. It's only 4%, so it's going to be down here. So I'm going to be expecting a negative value here, actually. That's okay. So let's do these two on our calculator. So this first one, we need 0.975 as our area. So area 0.975, standard deviation 1, mean 0 because it's a standard normal, and that's giving us 210 minus mu over sigma is equal to 1.959964, etc. I'm going to stop there because you've got quite a lot of accuracy there. And over this side, our area is only our 4%, so 0.04. And I'm expecting a negative value. Yep, so that seems okay to me. So here, 198 minus mu over sigma is minus 1.750686, etc. Okay, so we're going to need to play around with these simultaneous equations. I would suggest taking sigma up on both sides and then rearranging and subbing in. I'm going to leave you to do that, so pause the video, have a go at that. You need to work out your values of mu and sigma. Okay, I'm just going to say ... So pause the video here, solve these simultaneous equations, and then I'm going to write down the values of mu and sigma here so you can check your answers in a second. Okay, so give that a go. So hopefully you've paused the video at this point, you've come back now, you've worked these out, and you should get, or you should have gotten, to 3 significant figures, 204 grams, and for standard deviation, 3.23 grams. I think they're correct to 3 significant figures. Have a go with that. Hopefully you've got that right. On Firefly then, I'm going to put these on